Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix high ping, packet loss, stuttering and freezing on Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go on search and you just need to write create a restore point. Then press create and name it Minecraft. And what it does simply, if you mess up some settings, you can always go back here and restore your computer before you change some settings. And if you need to do this, you just need to go to system restore, then choose a different restore point and select Minecraft and complete the step, right? So this is the first for security reason. Second, we can go to actual fix. First of all, go to view network connections here and then disable everything here that you don't use. In my case, I only use my Ethernet cable, my internet. So if you want to disable something, you just need to right click and here it will be not enable, but disable. Simple. Then you need to look for your internet connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, go to properties, then make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 is the only options that is available for you. And then just uncheck it all the settings here and press OK and apply the changes. Next thing what you need to do is to go to, again, right click on your internet connection, go to properties, go to configure and power management and make sure allow this device to wake the computer is the only option that is available. Then go to advanced and here you need to copy my settings. So first one is advanced EE and RP offload should be disabled. EE max support speed, don't change anything here. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabit light, green Ethernet, interruption moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload v2, IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Then network address not present, NS offload disabled, power sync mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled. Then receive buffers, don't change anything. Shutdown wake on LAN disabled. Speed and duplex, select highest available. TCP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Transmit buffers, don't change anything here, leave it as it is. UDP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. VLAN ID, don't change anything. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match disabled, and WOL shutdown link speed, don't change anything. Press OK. And then right click, go to properties, Internet Protocol version 4. Then you need to change your DNS server addresses. To do so, you need to first test it out, which one is working better for you. Mainly there is Google DNS server addresses and Cloudflare's that I'm using here right now. And to test it out, you just need to look for CMD or command prompt and make sure to run as admin. And then you need to just test it out server addresses one by one. So you just need to write ping and then put, I will put preferred DNS server of Cloudflare, that is 1.1.1.1, and look what results you are getting. So we need to look on average MS and packet loss. So for me, 0 packet loss and average MS is 4 MS. If I put secondary Cloudflare's DNS server, 1.0.0.1, as you can see, I'm getting 5 MS with 0 packet loss. If I put Google DNS server, ping, and then you need to write 8.8.8.8, I'm getting 9 MS with 0 packet loss, and then ping 8.8.4.4. You can see here that I'm getting 9 MS. So in my case, Cloudflare is better, so I will put it here. And then you just need to restart your computer, look if you're getting better results or not. If you're not getting better results, then I highly advise you to use a exit lag. Click the link in the description below and get a free trial and set up Minecraft and look if you're getting better results or not. I played CS2, I got shit internet and played CS2 only with this app because constantly I got high ping and packet loss, so it helped me a lot. And to set up everything here, you just need to click the link below, sign up. Then once you have an app, go to library, then go to Minecraft here. And here you just need to choose your region or server, then select Europe or whatever is closest to you. Apply routes, launch the game, and look if you're getting better results or not. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.